The United States has ordered a ban on downloads of TikTok and WeChat, saying these apps threaten national security. The move was implemented on September 20. TikTok is a popular Chinese-owned video app. WeChat is a Chinese-owned messaging and payment platform. The ban comes amid rising U.S.-China tension and efforts by the Trump administration to engineer a sale of TikTok to American investors. WeChat was effectively shut down on September 20 in the U.S. Existing TikTok users, however, will be able to use the app until November 12.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.